In this present crisis, government is not the solution to our problem. Government is the problem.
All right, here we are again. We're at the first level of SHOT Show in booth 2810. We're here with Phil Levy, who's here representing Prolix Lubricant. He's going to tell us a little bit about some of the products that he has for the care and maintenance of your firearms. Phil, thank you for taking the time to meet with us this morning.
Thank you for
What
stopping by.
can you tell us about what you have?
Well, our product is totally different from many other products you're going to find here at the show. We started this 32 years ago. I was with the Department of the Navy, and we participated in a LA Expo in Los Angeles at the Pasadena Police Academy, and the military was trying to get the police departments to take their excess M16s, except they didn't work. So I had a product that we were playing with, introduced it to them, and it just knocked their socks off, and they just demanded they had to have more, and so that was the start of Prolix Lubricants.
All right, so what's different about your product than anybody else's?
It's a greatly improved CLP. It cleans, lubricates, and protects, but now it's a citrus-based technology with the lubricant suspended in the chemical. In the process of a cleaning, the chemical action develops the dry lubricant skin and it bonds it to the metal or whatever you're using to clean, because it works for a myriad of different applications. And once it gets dry, you can feel it, but it won't wipe off, it won't burn off, it doesn't build up. And the more you use it, the less cleaning you have to do. It's also recyclable. You can run it through a filter, even though it looks kind of old and nasty, it still keeps working. And it totally displaces moisture.
I see that you got an array of bottles out here. Does this come as a kit, or are these standalone products?
Standalone products. It just all depends on what individuals think they need. Over the years, we've developed these different sizes because law enforcement agencies, military, shooters, all say, well, I'd like to have this size or this size or whatever. We also have half gallons for schools, gallons, 5 gallons, up to truckloads. But just basically it's the 8 spray, the 4-ounce squirter cap, and the 16 ounce is the popular one, especially for the ladies, because they've gotten active in shooting, and with their small hands, and even law enforcement officers have complained about it, that it's easier to grip with a smaller type neck, so we've gone to the ring neck craft type bottle. And so we're just introducing this as our new look for our product. And
you want to grab it and show it to the camera?
Sure.
All right, not bad. That's a nice pretty color too, by the way.
Yeah, it's a good color. Everybody loves the color of it. Doesn't have any effect on metal or whatever you put it to. It's just it's a blue color because of the chemicals and the lubricants that's in it.
Great. Now, where can everybody find your product?
Online at www.prolixlubricant.com. Right. Also, maybe their favorite store. We're in a lot of retail stores around the country, around the world, in fact, and or different applications or shooting events and stuff like that. Where you add a lot of them.
Excellent. All right, well, there you go. We're going to, let everybody come take a look at the Prolix stuff and visit the website, and we're going to the next spot.
Well, I think it's time we ask ourselves if we still know the freedoms that were intended for us by the founding fathers.
Infinite rights, when politicians take from you and me the very